Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. I am sharing my daily profit on my videos, and this scalping indicator is awesome. And I am sharing my profit on daily basis in my YouTube channel. Here, this was the last video, and let me show you my previous video here. Here you can see this was the previous video. Okay, I am going to share link, and I have need to share my daily profit on daily basis. Okay, here this was the this video was yesterday, and uh, before that date this was the trade, and I will show you the results in my short video on daily basis. Okay, let me show you the results of yesterday. Okay, here you can see deposit was $50 and profit was $53.70. That was the yesterday. Okay, and in the previous day, on the next previous day, let me show you. Okay, let me show you the results here. This was you had need to check the date 1/9 and here 2/9. Okay, this is the second September, and this is first September. Okay, and you have need to check the gap 56 75 56 75. Okay, 78 75 78 75, around in most on 90% trade. My gap between the opening and closing of the trade is like mostly 2.5 to $3. Okay, let's go to the strategy. Here you got the steady signal. Okay, then when you got the signal, the price was 3545. Okay, and the price goes from 45.8 for 2.7. You easily get 2.5 to $3 moment. That's it. That is the best strategy. Here you can see this one easily get 2.5 to $3 moment. Here you got the buy signal, easily get 2.5 to $3 moment. Here you got the buy signal, easily get 2.5 to $3 moment in the gold in the 1 minute time frame. I received some requests that please show the your indicator in 5 minute time frame, and I will show you the results in 5 minute time frame as well. Okay, there is no worry, and just need to watch this signal, because some if you are new in the channel, just need to watch this one. Okay, signal, and you can see. Okay, and most important one, when you got the signal, it will show you where you need to take your profit, like here. Okay, so that is the best thing here. Okay, here you got the signal, and you have need to book on this resistance lines. Okay, and it will also show you the scenario of the 15-minute time frame, last 15-minute time candles, and last 4 candle of 1 hour time frame, and last 4 candles of 1 day time frame. And you can see the results in the gold consistently going upside. Okay, trend in the BTC, and this indicator will also show you the volume. Here you can see there is a good volume, so you need to follow buy signal. Okay, when you got the sell signal, here you can see the volume, and you got the sell signal, you can see easily get the profit, easy. Okay, here you can see this one, this one, easily get the profit. Here you can see. Okay, let's see the results in 5 minute time frame, because I received some request, please show the result in 5 minute time frame, because when the people contact me, I told them that the indicator is working on all time frame, like 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour. Even you can use this indicator in 1 hour time frame. There is no word. There are reversal dot signal as well, but we have need to concern with this buy signal, because the volume is green. Okay, here you can see when you got the signal, the price was 3551413. Okay, and price from 13 moved to 13 to 2526, is around more than $10 movement. but you do not need to be greedy. Just need to take, if you are using 5 minute time frame, just need to take a $5 movement, that's it. Okay, do not need to be greedy, just need to take $5 movement and that's it. Okay, here you got the signal, like here when you got the signal the price was 83. Okay, from 83 market goes to 88. Okay, and easily get, you can see market goes from 88 to 91. Okay, that is actually a very good moment, but we do not need to be greedy, we just need to take small profit. Like here you got the signal. Okay, but when you got the signal the price was C482 or 82, and from 82 market goes from 74. Easily get $5 moment, that is the best strategy. Do not need to be great, do not need to take big profit all the time. Okay, just need to take small profit. A stop loss should be very small, like here when you got the sell entry your stop loss is there, like here. Okay, yeah, you got the entry, your stop loss is very small, like here. This one small stop loss, this one very small stop loss, like here. Okay, here this one your stop loss is very small, like here. Okay, this one is stop loss is like, you can put your stop loss here. Sometimes your stop loss will be big, but do not worry. Okay, you have need to concern on how much accuracy you are getting. Okay, that is the best thing. Okay, and I think I give you the best explanation, and hopefully you will love this video as usual. And any query, any question you can ask me, and that's it. I think for the next video, bye bye, take care. And if you need the indicator, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details. These are my contact details. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on Telegram. Remember, write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram, because there are some fake Telegram channels and you need to be aware. And do not join any fake Telegram channels. Gmail, simplehoguide@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. If you want to check my results on daily basis, then you have to join my TikTok, and you will see the results of my daily trades in my TikTok account and in my YouTube short videos. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care. Any further query you can ask me. For the next video, bye bye, take care.